be showing you some new things that we got at Target today. So this is my sister's. It's a little owl and
a big owl.
And it makes noises. Okay, next is my bird that I got from Target and last is a cage and it's all plastic, so let's move it over to my sister.
Hi guys, I'm going to show you my birds next. This is the baby. And it can make sounds and move its head. And on to the next one. The mama. The daddy too. And she's a purple bird. And this is the big cage that the purple bird goes in. Bye.
Okay, so my sister didn't show them all completely. The little bird actually has wings that do not move, and its head turns.
I know, I said that.
With roses on its wings, and the bird has a heart right here. There we go. Okay. So and the cage has blue paper in it, and you can fit 2 birds in it. Just snap it right in there. Hold on.
Oh, her wing is stuck.
And then if you close it, check that out. We fit 2 birdies in 1 cage. So it's... Oh my... It's a cool... Stop it! It's a cool feature. So now for the last thing is the baby owl. So the baby owl has a mouth that can open really wide. Can y'all see that? Right there. So yeah. So yeah, that's the end of the video, and